How to enable or disable block offensive words for Google Voice typing on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here click on Here click on Settings app. Now in Settings, scroll down and click on General Management. After click on General Management, click on Keyboard. After click on Keyboard, click on Google Voice Typing. After click on Google Voice Typing, click you will see block offensive words is here. If you want to disable block offensive words, so turn off this button. After turn off this button, you will see block offensive words is disabled. If you want to enable block offensive words, so turn on this button. After turn on this button, you will see block offensive words is enabled. You will enable or disable block offensive words from here. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can enable or disable block offensive words for Google Voice typing on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.